Okay, I'm going to show you how I did my pool steps. I've seen lots of videos on TikTok and YouTube how to put it together. Got different ideas, but how everybody else did theirs, they made it their own. So I kind of like made it my own. The first thing I had is the center blocks. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 going up. So it's 1 here, 2 there, 3 here, 4 here, and then 5. I didn't want to make 6 because it's been too wobbly, and I don't have nail glues to hold it together. So what I had did is that I had some wood that was around the yard, and then I just put it together. Just made like a little extra, I say like a little step, and I just put the wood there. I put these 3 woods going across and this wood just to hold it together. So I put the wood here, and then I just drilled the wood in, and then I took another drill and then drilled this here like that. Something simple just to hold it together. And it's sturdy because my boys are big. So this is not even there. So I did it just like that, just rigged something together that worked. And then I was able to put my pool steps really in there. And then right here, these are so like no slip. I got these from off of the padding that I have, the trimming of the padding I have underneath the pool. So that's what I had used. It's just something simple. And then of course I'm gonna go back and try to fix it. I just noticed that it's just a little wobbly, but it's still, you step on it and it don't move. But if I push it on it, of course it'll move. Constantly pushing on it. And these wood is like 3.5 by 5.5, and they was a whole long piece, of course. And then I just had them at the store to cut them in half. So this is one whole one, another whole one, another whole one, and another whole one, and another whole one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 whole ones. And these are like I think these are like 4x4s. We just got them cut in half. We had it for when we was making a garden, or we was doing concrete stuff. And then this is my pool steps. It goes into the pool. It's time for us to clean it out. It's been raining a lot here in Texas. So, yeah. Then I put some little pavers down here. We're still fixing it up. We just did this just to get the boys started. And then just some pavers. And then I'm gonna put some mulch around it. I put this here just to make a little area to put my pool stuff in. Just stuff that we just decided to do. Yeah, a little easy stuff. And it goes all the way around. And then I have, my husband built this here little thing just to protect the pool, which I'm glad he did because it's been raining a lot. And then we have the pool pump inside of there. I just had that to cover it up, but we don't need to do that anymore because it's not getting wet at all. And I also put these little balls up here. This is a sand pump, and it's the extreme power. And then I put the little balls, the reusable balls. Instead of saying you could put these like cotton balls, reusable cotton balls in there, I put these 2 in there, and there's also a whole lot in here. And I was also able to wash them. This is my streamer. I need to fix this. It fell off, but it clamps up to right here. I got to get in there because the rain just knocked everything off. And then that's our little waterfall. And all this from off of Amazon. Even that. Amazon. This from Amazon too. Amazon or Walmart. Walmart always have it. And that's really it. Let me just show you. And that's just how it is. It's sturdy. I'll even show you how I walk up on it. To walk up on it, take the shoes off, walk up on it. This one don't even have one. Seat's not moving at all. Walk up on it. Here, and then in here. And then down here. It's really good. No problem. I hope that helps because I was having a hard time trying to figure out how to get some steps in here because it's hard walking up on that ladder and it's easy to walk up on these steps instead. And I'm going back down the steps. And I have bad knees too, so That helps. Alrighty. And then I'm gonna show you the cotton balls that I have. Still look horrible outside, but that really helps. Now we'll be on to our garden next. Now these are the balls, the reusable balls. I washed them and I just put them inside this bag just to wash them, and then I just let them air dry. So you can use them again. So I just put them in one of these laundry bags, put it in my washing machine, and then by the time I went to go get it out of there, they was already practically dry. So that's a good little tip. You just find different ways to do stuff.